Well, hopefully, if they have to move him, they can move him farther out into a place where he can roam at will.
I only hope the bear has an umbrella or some type of raincoat because he's going to get soaked tomorrow.
Bear galoshes, Eric.
Nice layer of fat around the bear. Usually does a good job repelling some of that rainwater, and we'll get plenty of that tomorrow. Unfortunately, all the forecasts down toward the Carolinas definitely verified over the weekend. Look at some of these rain amounts. 3 feet of rain in Elizabethtown, North Carolina. That's the same amount of rainfall, including the snow, that we've seen in Boston this entire year. It fell over the weekend. Swansboro at 34, and these numbers are record setters. This was the wettest storm ever recorded in both North Carolina and South Carolina, and it beat both of those spots by several inches. In the case of North Carolina, by 12 inches over the previous one set by Floyd. So tremendous flooding continues. Will continue all week there in the Carolinas. Same system bringing us a flash flood watch for tomorrow. Won't be anything like that, but there will be some localized torrential downpours. Most of us get 1 to 3 inches of rain tomorrow. There will be some isolated amounts where a few towns could see as much as 4 to 6, and a lot of rain in a short amount of time, of course, can lead to some flash flooding, especially on the roadways and perhaps even in some small streams tomorrow if we get into a kind of a worst case scenario with this one. So these are Florence's remnants. They're moving a lot faster now, finally, making their way out of the Carolinas. Today, a warm day out ahead of it. We were well up into the 80s. Boston hit 85 degrees, which was the 75th time we've hit 80 this year. It's the 4th most on record for a year. We may be able to get one more on Friday. It gets a lot harder as we move toward October, naturally. Out there, we're looking at dew points on the rise. The humidity will continue to move up tonight. It'll keep our temperatures in the 60s, and the rain arrives close to midnight tonight. So if you're out in the next few hours, no rain issues expected. Now here's a look at the timing. As we approach midnight, the rain showers and downpours become more widespread. And certainly for tomorrow morning, we expect some very heavy rainfall in spots. Most of this will be in a fairly thin band. And in the morning, it's centered more toward Vermont, New Hampshire, and northern Massachusetts. As the day wears on, that band really concentrates on the Boston area, morning into the early afternoon, and then mid-afternoon into the evening for southeastern Mass and the Cape. So this whole thing settling south, giving most of the region a solid drenching. So flash flood watch will be in effect through tomorrow night. Some of the lower totals expected on the Cape and the islands, which is why you're not included in that flash flood watch right now. So watch out for the streets. Always avoid those flooded out roadways. We've had some sad stories in the Carolinas, people driving through floodwaters. Never want to do that. There is a low but non-zero risk of a spin-up tornado in southern New England tomorrow. So we'll be watching that radar carefully. Also some gusty winds out of the south. Some gusts 20 to 40 miles per hour on the south coast and the Cape. Inland areas shouldn't be seeing all that much wind with this one, and our highs tomorrow will be in the 70s. It'll be very tropical, though. Dew points in the low 70s tomorrow. Tomorrow night, we start to dry out, and it'll feel more comfortable for Wednesday and Thursday. Not much brighter on Wednesday. Still an onshore wind here for the midweek. It's going to give us mostly cloudy skies, cool temperatures, even a little bit of drizzle. It does look like we'll brighten up on Thursday, and then we'll warm up on Friday. So we're entering a much more active period of weather for us. Every day is going to be a little bit different. Rainy tomorrow, gray and cool on Wednesday, a little brighter Thursday. Should break into the sun and hit around 80 on Friday. And right now, it looks like a really nice Saturday for the first official day of fall.
Woo.
I can't wait for Saturday.
Me either.
I don't care what the weather is.
It's never too early to start thinking about Saturday.
All right, Eric, appreciate it. Thank you so much.